You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of the city in Normandy, in the north of Normandy in France. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from French and famous places in Normandy, stay tuned. The French pronunciation here is as Cherbourg, Cherbourg, you could say in English Cherbourg-en-Cotentin. So full French pronunciation, Cherbourg-en-Cotentin. In English, Cherbourg-en-Cotentin, or that's if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, Cherbourg-en-Cotentin. From French, Cherbourg-en-Cotentin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.